Ano? Sa una, ang best thing.
This is how pros do it.
Here.
Now let's see how my friend does it.
That's what I do. I suck.
You suck.
Yeah, I suck.
Yeah, so guys, we're here at Brett's house. Gabi kay nagbagunta ko pero na-delete na ako tanan. I-delete na ako dahil kay walay audio. That sucks also.
Nihilaks Dexter gahapon.
Suck, yeah. Sucks more than you.
Tara mga panat.
I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. So guys, mga tamig Jollibee. Gaya ni mo. I'm done. Yo guys, we're done eating.
Dude, no! What the fuck, no!
Chiclet, chiclet, chiclet. Purple. Purple, purple. Chiclet. Purple chiclet, chiclet, chiclet. So guys, nindot day kayo dire, nindot kay view. So, nainaan nga idea si Brett sa mga idea.
Mangangkat ta.
Here goes. An empty street, an empty house, a hole inside my heart. Yeah. Lahi na pa naman kantahon. Ang kantahan kay one less lonely girl.
It's gonna be.
One less lonely girl.
And it's gonna be.
One less lonely girl.
It's gonna be one less lonely.
How many I told you you start overs and shoulders if you cried on before.
How many promises you promised, girl?
So broken din si Brett karon.
Maybe I annoy you with my choice, and you annoy me sometimes too with your voice. But that ain't enough for me to move out and move on. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love. We don't have to hurry, but you can take as long as you want. With my hand behind you, I would catch you if you fall. I'm just gonna love you like the woman I love.
That's sad, bro.
I'm a man. I never cry. I don't wish.
Okay guys, mangulay namin guys kay nagulan na. Balik mi sila. Yeah, let's go.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But loving you till we're 17.
Oh, it's okay, bro. It's okay. Guys, we're at Clyde's house. What's up, sisters?
Hi, sister.
Hi, sisters.
You
guys.
right?
No. Kitty. It's overall really good here. Look at this ring light. Hey, what's up? We at Clyde's house. One less lonely girl.
It's gonna be one less lonely
Many
girl.
I told you you start overs and shoulders if you cried on before.
She's indecisive. She can't decide. She keeps on looking.
Yeah. Let me tell you what you're missing. Paradise with me, a winning girl. You don't have to roll the dice. Tell me what you're really here for.
Here for.
Them other guys, I can see right through ya.
So I sang a little prayer. All my dreams would take me there.
Mukbang with Brett.
What's baby?
Guys, what's up? James
Hello.
Jones.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate. Chocolate. Amis mo ko tunawin sa camera. Amis magiging ka din. Amis, di ba?
Ako ako girl.
Yeah, talikod.
Guys, na-figure out na mo kaming tulo. Wala yung mga ligo.
Kung naligo nagkikagahapon, hindi ka maligo pagkasunod
Space
ugma.
bar naman, di.
Pag di mi niya paanion dire kay balay hugaw. So i-house shame na ko siya. Hugawa kaya na oy. Kabog na pa di pansit dire oh.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Oh, wala rin mga sana. Sige dahil nindot ra pa dahil. Yo guys, this is my new look. It looks cool. Brett. This kind of reminds me of you.
Plastic and it's shit.
Fuck.
Nangutan na siya na ako, yung gitanaw.
Iya gibutan dia ba di na-chakra ko kay. Imurang gikalitog. Hawidi. Na-chakra ko. Ano ko? Act manly in for 20 seconds.
So, 8 seconds.
4 seconds.
20.
No, not 20 seconds.
10.
5.
Sige, 5. Sige, 5. Bay. Maliwana ba? May tit ka?
Hindi na ko alam ba yung
Punita to miming. Tiyatag ni Brett nga. Oh, dura ba yun? Kaya kailangan man dyan ka mangusol. Tara, nasa ilalim mo. Walt, pause lamig miming, Walt. Laluya sa iring mo, iring. Itsa. Itsa, raniya.
Ayaw na.
Yo guys, that's all for the vlog. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, Roniel.
Hello, Roniel!
Hello, Roniel! Sige.
Ano man? Ayaw, wala.
Chiclet, Purple. Yo guys, we're walking the dogs. Chiclet here, Chiclet, and Furball with Brett. I'm walking my 3 dogs.